all no ni ko. Curi kok sana you banting ini well up.
You got these things so? The white things?
Yeah.
Where's the cock in the next well?
Yeah, put them in the next.
One on the ground.
Yeah.
One on the ground.
Just wait, I'm going to go. Just
Come here. What is that?
Beat.
Beet?
Yeah.
Take a bite?
No. I beat. Alright, come sit down.
Ah!
And truck is still sick.
Alright, Magas are the first fish here. It come out? Oh, it come out. But you see it beaten on it, yeah. Trim back out again. You have it this time. You have it this time. Look, fat boy have one too. Fat boy. A banana. Fat boy have a banana. So the action started. The action started. Come out. Spit out. Spit out. Alright, so have a call valley. Don't tell us to let the fish with one line, boy. Alright, so last one.
Yeah, I see it. No, it's a banana too, but.
Yeah. Alright, so Right, so last one here. Right. Bring it in. Bring him, son. Bring him. He's a big fish. Yeah.
I see it, Daniel.
Yeah.
See it now, bicycle vision.
Right. I got coming on inside here. See it here. Right. Come out. Oh. One. A banana boy. A banana. A big banana boy. Big one. Big one. Big banana. Right. Chris, a real action here, boy. The next one again. Chris pulling up right here. Yeah. Alright, Nathan. Nathan with the first fish. Yeah. Yeah. Wash. Saya pun ni big. But that one feel Nathan? Huh? Easy. Well, wait, the big ones. Look, Caleb has something here. Caleb bringing something here. Let me see what Caleb bring. Another Zoffy. Caleb fighting. Bring him in. Alright. Them fellas in them holding, boy. Doc have a nice fish here. Let's see what it is.
Nice kabali, nice kabali.
Oh, a nice kabali. A nice kabali bring here.
Wala na isa loose tapos yun.
Banan big. Catch a nice up there too.
Ni blue ball we all boy. There's some kula coming out there too. Just for this big one. No, you are in sit outside. Take some ice on the sun.
Yeah, so after a half day of fishing, they like to come back and bathe a little bit. So I Nathan, Kyle, we have Fat Boy, Sammy, and Caleb taking a bathe. So I go sign off for them. One more for the rockin' fishing boys. Indian arrival day on the beach. Yeah, we go head back day home now. After a nice half day of fishing on the boat.